But, doctor, how can I get pregnant? I'm still breastfeeding.
This was the first thing my patient asked me when she entered into my clinic.
Welcome to my OPD diary.
Hi, I am Dr. Sakshi, gynecologist and an IVF specialist. Many women believe that while when they are on breastfeeding, it can prevent them from pregnancy. But the truth is, when you are exclusively breastfeeding, that is the time when it can act as a contraception. But still, it is not 100% guaranteed. As the number of feed reduces, your periods return back. And sometimes you even start ovulating before your first period. So this is the time when the pregnancy can happen. So if you are not planning pregnancy just yet, don't rely on breastfeeding alone as a contraception. Speak to your doctor and choose a method which is safe while on breastfeeding.